currently residing in China since 2009. I studied, worked during my 17 years of stay. I currently work in To-Do Fitness Manufacturing Company as overseas marketer and product specialist. My experience combined with market sensitivity, product expertise, and cross-border business understanding. I'm familiar with both Chinese and international market and enjoy developing and promoting fitness products. I'll share with you product experience, product testing, product production process, and also professional services. At the same time, I'll share interesting stories from my work with my team. To-Do Fitness Manufacturing Company is a professional manufacturer and a service provider with more than 18 years experience focusing on fitness products.
Okay, as you can see right behind me, this is our company's factory, and today we'll be taking you guys inside to have an exhibition of the products we have here. So without any further ado, just go with me.
Thank you. See you in our next video.